Shopify products to your WhatsApp catalog. So you have already connected a WhatsApp catalog in the ecom section. Click on edit icon, edit button, and enable the auto sync of products and stock. So whenever a new product is added in Shopify, it will automatically get synced to your WhatsApp store, and then click on enable. Now this works for all the new products. Now for all the existing products in your Shopify which you have pulled manually, we need to select the store from here, that is WhatsApp channel store, and then click on push products. Now all the products here will be pushed to your Meta WhatsApp catalog. So this is how you can push the products. Now for easy identification, you can rename your stores. So you can rename here possibly, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp store, in this case Shopify store. So in the product section, it will be easy for you to identify which is your Shopify store and you can make an operation on it, and which is your WhatsApp store and you can make an operation on it. Thank you.